Good morning and good evening. Welcome to the stream. We're back with the regular setup. I'm finished with the educational tasks. Good morning and good evening. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Yeah, I am doing a little bit of more streaming today, aka I've set up also YouTube. I hope that's okay that I say it. Yeah, I think it should be okay, like from what I read, as long as I'm not doing anything to harm the quality of the other streams, it should be fine. So yeah, hello to Twitch, hello to YouTube, and I'm gonna try to keep up the multi-streaming part of it. So in case now, if you ever watch a stream and you wanna watch it again, like I think it should be permanent now, since YouTube might do something. Oh, 1 second. I'm getting some info. Doot. Streams current. 1 second. Trying to see just what's happening. So I'll get the game running. Oh, okay. Hmm. If I try just increasing the bitrate, will that make a difference? Will it stop the stream? Is everything gonna just suddenly cancel out? Okay, I guess YouTube isn't telling me anything new for now. Well, hopefully I'll figure it out in the process. So yeah, welcome back everyone. For those who tuned in for the past Monday, I think. Yeah, don't think I did a stream on the education stuff the day before, so I did it. I, in a way, actually survived it since it was a lot more difficult to do than I had initially planned. And the reason for that is I hadn't considered all the aspects of making a multiplayer problem solving example. Like, just get the game running in the background. I knew the tasks that I wanted to have students do. I knew that I wanted to have tasks about replication where you take data from your main host game and then send it over to the clients. I knew that I wanted to have host migration where if something happens, for example, on one server, then you can just move all of the data and all the players to another one, and then people are going to be able to still continue playing if the person who started the server disconnects. Then, of course, I want to talk about predictions. So, predictions sadly didn't work out since I messed something up with what's it called? Oh, offsets in the coordinate system. I wanted to be able to present every single client in one space, so I just faked it a little bit, and what happened was that every player, not player, um, every session was just on the one screen, but it wasn't like 6 different screens. It was just all in one, like in one Unity project. And so trying to convert their solutions for predictions, something went right with the offsets, and I just spent a lot of time debugging it to the point where I just said, all right, just skip the predictions of the multiplayer game and go over to migration. And I know in the end, I still enjoyed it. I think the students also enjoyed it, which was nice. But I could feel that the my preparation was not the best, and that's just due to the fact that I didn't really have that much time at the very end to do more, since I had a very long vacation and I just didn't have time to start working on it on the vacation. And once I was back, I worked on it pretty much every single day that I could. After the streams were over, I did the education thing. But still, I really, really heavily underestimated just how much work I'd have to do, since it's one thing to just make a system for multiplayer games, which is difficult in itself. Like, I need to think that, okay, whatever I'm making, whatever objects I'm doing, that they're going to be used in multiple instances just for other players. And then I need to do syncing, I need to do um, all the checks for what are the bounds of every player, but they're all in the one same play space, etc. And yeah, after that, I looked at it and I went, can someone actually do this in a workshop? Can it be any fun? Can it be, I don't know, is it understandable? Can you do something with it? And the answer was a very firm no. And it was very late in the day. It was maybe 1 a.m. and I still didn't have something that I felt that was presentable. So I just kept on, and at some point I got to the stage where it was something you could solve. It had problems. I had clarified it. I'd taken out all of the data that was necessary for doing replication, for example. I just separated an extra layer that could replicate it to every instance. And at that point, I would say that it was pretty okay. So I'm happy with that. Going from very, very underestimated to finished and kind of good. I'm pretty proud of that. So, I guess with that out of the way, I can now take just some rest to not think about educational stuff. Unless for what's here, like what I noticed, no matter the context, like I can even be like on 2 hours of sleep, up for I don't know 20 at that point, and just completely ramble on about the AI stuff that I'm doing in this game. So just nice to know that this is something that's still absolutely in my radar for very large interests. So let's begin. Before then, let's, I guess, just do a little quick recap of what's been happening. Even I should probably actually do a full recap, so I'll try to keep it a little bit shorter. So basically, I am making a. I guess I can start this over. I am making a simulation RPG style game, and right now I'm on my first prototype stage, where I've just written a lot of scenarios of what I want to happen in the game, and I'm trying to make it happen. And for that, I need a behavioral system that I've designed a little bit by myself. I've taken some inspiration from what I know. So, from goal oriented approaches, from behavior trees, and I've made a goal condition action progress system. So, goal, wait, goal condition action, GCAP. I guess that's something. And the way it works is basically that characters have certain goals that are listed by priority. The priority gets determined by the conditions that are met. The actions are derived from the conditions, and then progress is checked after running the highest priority goals, which changes the state of what the characters think, and it just keeps looping on that, and that in turn creates fun interactions in the game. So right now we are stopping on a breakpoint. So there are some issues in the code, and I remember I didn't quite figure out what was wrong last time. Oh wait, no, I did actually figure out. So I figured out that I missed some things. So I actually missed casting the values. So yeah, so I missed casting the values. I had separated into having a type, but I didn't actually type it. Yeah, so now I actually have a type. Now I can write it like so. Oh, forgot to do one more. Forgot to do two more. Yeah, okay. Let's give it a run. Okay, so nothing is crashing. That is a good point. So I imagine it is somewhat okay. Okay, so Juno gets stuck in between. Okay. Valid operands string and int in plus. Huh. So very interesting. So wait, wonder count is equal. What am I doing with wonder count? Am I just setting it to 0 is equal to 0? Yeah. So this would just be an int. I don't understand why I should be casting this. Oh, um, it's very interesting. 1 second. Twitch, YouTube is just. The audio stream's current bitrate is 0. Is YouTube that's without audio at this point? 1 second. The audio stream's current bitrate is 0. Is YouTube that's without audio? Nope, everything's fine. Okay, yep. Moving on. Yeah, so wonder count, I'm here setting it to 0 here. I am trying to increment it, but that's very weird. So I guess it's having some difficulties, or it's taking 0 and thinking that it's not a number. If I do this, would that save it? I don't want to cast yet. I want to just try to see if this is an issue with taking values and understanding what they are, because 0 might be just null in some way in Godot. So will I ever get the same issue for incrementing? Yes, it's still the same. Okay. Right, let's leave this here. Let's try or how I missed just editing something and then hitting play and it just plays instantly. I did not miss Unity even for a small project. It just takes so long. I know that there's um, edit options like the editor, the thing where you can just load in quicker into your game, but this is just so much faster. Love it. Not faster performance wise per se, maybe, maybe not, maybe yes, but definitely faster to iterate. So we're getting some interesting behavior. Okay, so what is showing the pop up? Exclamation pop up. Create pop up. Hmm. Hmm. So we're supposed to be placing cheese, but I didn't see anything placed yet. And it should be ignored. So no inventory space. For some reason this has first call. Okay, I don't know why this is here. So wait, this is just we take the search closest. Check if it's first call. I think this is the old cheese looking for cheese code. Oh, I think I lost a chat. Ah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I think that was just the old looking for cheese code. So dropper. What could be wrong here? It's making a pop-up, but it's not actually adding it to the world. Let's just see if I can get it stopped on the moment. Oh, for those wondering, the very first cheese that Juno, which is the the character you're seeing, oh, not here, but the other character, ignores the very first cheese and then goes for all of the other ones. I should maybe redraw that one. And what should happen is, after picking up cheese at some point, you should also drop it. But I don't see it getting dropped back on the ground. Yeah, turn off the grumbly voice a little bit more. Nope, still grumbly. So, yeah, we're trying to place it. So the pickup is, we do have some kind of object. This part I did not miss, not understanding what I'm debugging. Okay, yeah, Unity has its annoyances. Godot definitely has its annoyances too. Or VS Code. I could be too quick to say that. Might be just VS Code. So we're instantiating it. Can I see what's happening? No, I can't see yet. Okay. Can't see yet, so let's just continue. Okay, the game is running. We're picking up the cheese, but we're not waiting once we've picked it up. We're waiting now. Okay, we're wandering around. Uh-huh. It's getting a little bit of twitchiness. Okay, that might have been by chance that the dragon, this character here, just. No. Juno is trying to drop it, but it's not working. Interesting. Um, okay, I have an idea. That's just for testing purposes. World dot pickup. Pickup. This is going to be the script. Okay, so pickup dot name is equal to pickup dot name plus placed. So now I will see in the. Oh no, I need to run it here. Now I should see what's being placed and if it's actually in the game or it just something fails and nothing happens. Invalid access to property or key ID on the base of object previously freed. Oh. Module collector 41. Okay, interesting. Why was I not getting any hits in code? Collector 41. Hmm. Of type previously freed. Okay, so search, get pickups. Um, okay, interesting. That might be just a one-off issue, I assume. How can it be previously freed but in pickups? Oh, okay. I think get pickups. Let's check the pickup code. No, please. Module pickup. So on destroy, we are unregistering it. Registering it on init. Yeah, not seeing anything right now. Okay, let's try again and see if we hit the same issue. Yeah, still the same issue, but if I run it through VS Code, do I also get it? Well, that's fun. Okay, there we go. So, pickup, null, pickups. Okay. No info about the pickup, but it is null. How can that be the case? Let's take a look at world. Where is it? World is here. World does attributes. No. Why do things not have descriptions? Why do they not show what is happening? Something wrong with the bitrate for Twitch? Don't think so. Just quickly making sure that I'm still here. Okay, nice. Everything is all right. I have 3 different versions of myself if I ever wanted any more mirrors. I guess I need a new monitor. So it's been freed. What's its name? No. Why do I not have pickups? It's a dictionary of size 18. That is not useful information. That is useful information, but why do I not have more information? Is it because it's not typed? Is it because it has just generic types? Have we reached the limit of what the debugger can show me? I do not understand. 21 items. So there are 21 pieces of cheese in the pickups. Does that make sense? Is that not too many pickups? Let's count. I'm not going to count. Okay, I can't count. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's 21. 21 cheeses. That is correct. And 21 cheeses with override values all types and with the base element script. So it should be all fine. But there are lots of variables. Never use a function. Okay, those are fine. Failed to instantiate an allo script. Does not inherit from node. Okay. Utils. Okay, yeah, that's just a smaller issue. 1 sec. No, auto load is globals. Yeah. Math utils. Okay, that should be fixed. I guess that was not a problem since something was calling it. Getting back to the question at hand, what is happening here? Why not here? Here. What's happening here? Is every key null? Try. Maybe once I have a pickup. Yeah, okay, so I have an idea. So I'm on destroy, registering it, right? Going to check. Going to check it. This is just destroy. Is that what happens? Base unit. So base unit destroy. Yeah, so destroy is called, and base element also has a dot destroy. Good. Yeah, so destroy should be getting called. What I want to check is so what is process interaction delayed destroys. So delete destroy. Let's do this. So we're gonna register it. This doesn't need a new destroy method. And let's try running now. Do we still hit the brakes? No. Okay, and how many objects do we have? Okay, nice. I'm seeing something. Area 2D at 3 is equal to null. So, that is a bit of a weird one. I guess that's the placed cheese. Let's see. World dot place. Adding item to world. Where are my outputs? Adding item to world cheese. Okay. Game object. Elements. Add child. Yeah. Elements add child. And then why is this getting freed again? Q free. Q free. So for this is for the timer. Delay destroy. So why is delay destroy being called? Why aren't we picking it up? Maybe it's an issue with. So if it's entering into bits, that's so weird. How can it enter into pickups? It already be destroyed. It'll already be null. I think it might be time for some texts. Though I really did want to leave this somewhere in the back of my mind and not directly. Let's say, let's give it a try. Let's try adding some UI just so I can see. No, I want to add some UI so I can see things more clearly. What kind of values are actually set, since the debugger doesn't show the whole story at all of the time. But I'm not sure it's gonna work. Fine, I'll leave it for a post-stream edition. So what can I do now? What can I do to fix this? Let's see. For example, I did have one idea. Is the system... Oh yeah, am I on the newest changes? That's the first question. Yes, I am on the newest changes. Let's take a look at Juno and see. Wonder removable, default viewer, animate pickup, collector, dropper. Yes. Speed, wonder time, wonder range, drop chance, maximum size. Rest time. Rest time, pick up raise. Rest for 2 seconds. Let's take a look at Wanderer. Module Wanderer. Huh? So I I might need to lock the state. So behavior. No, the default behavior. Right now, how the game behaves just randomizes which state it's in. Right, so it's randomizing. It's getting a random state, and right now the states that Juno has are Wanderer, movable, default behavior, animated, picker, collector, dropper. So but those are just regular states. I want to see the is FSM module. So only movable and default behavior. So movable, yeah, default behavior is an wait no default behavior is not an FSM state. What's control then? What is the control state? Do I have control somewhere set? I completely don't remember my own state machine. I switched the goal system a very long time ago. Well, I've been working on this for over 40 days, which technically I guess it's starting to be a bit of old time. Still not 6 years or 6 months, but it's getting there. FSM state control. Where is this being set? Yeah, so if we don't have a state control, we're adding the default behavior. Okay, so default behavior is an FSM state which is just not listed, so that it doesn't get added to the list. It's a backup FSM state. So we're randomizing, so we're either getting here or we're getting to movement. And so movable just does a run and it's moved towards. Okay. Then Wanderer is on a timer. It gets a 4-second timer, or what was it? So it keeps getting Wanderer positions. I need to fix that. Oh, I'm getting woozy. Still a bit sleepy after the marathon. So, okay. What do I do here? Which part do I need to figure out? I'm just trying to figure you out. Dropper world. No. Just going in circles a little bit here. Okay. Does it make sense? No, it does not. That is the answer. It does not make sense that something is null but is not removed from the list. Something is destroyed but not removed. Okay. Q3 timer. Okay, here. And why are you being Q3'd? Let's check. This is for processing the interaction. Okay, so we're taking a look at the piece of cheese. Wait. This is on the first step of process interaction. Can that be true? Interactee. Wait, does this make sense? Does this call stack actually make sense? So we're starting an interaction. Start interaction is on the first hit. So it goes into the base elements process interaction. It goes into process interaction for module pickup. And it does delay destroy. Yes, everything here is correct. For a second there, I thought that I was also jumping to the units interaction at this point. Wait, but that's not how it's supposed to work. Wait, is it? Unit process interaction. No. Process interaction. What kind of process interactions do I have? I have none, so okay, I guess that's something. But wait, no. How is that possible? Okay, there we go. Yeah. So pickup is the only script that can process interaction, so makes sense. Everything is fine with the call stack here. View debug. Okay. Then delay destroy, we're calling delay destroy on this object. So this is a D22. I'd assume this is the cheese, at least one of the cheeses. Object data name, node path. Wait, no, this is Juno. Names for root world units, Juno. Huh? No, this is not. This is most definitely not Juno. Juno is not being destroyed. I can assure that, unless she is. Object unregistered pickup. and we're unregistering Juno or something that is falsely override type 7. No, this is definitely Juno. Why are we destroying Juno? More, more accurately, why? Hmm. Okay, I think that's just a bug. Let's assume that it's fine since it worked before all the times. Then once we do a delay destroy, we go through every destroy and we're registering the element. We also should register it as a pickup. That should be done here. Here? Yes. So we are unregistering the pickup. Let's check world. World. Hold on. Constants. This is an interesting object since it does not have world in it. For some reason. Goes your shit, you will start sidebar, JG, goes world. Okay, here, just missed it. But it doesn't have any data. I guess it doesn't know what the world is, so it can't tell me, so that's fine. Okay, so I had one delay destroy. I'm having another delay destroy. And now it's for maybe the dragon picking up something. I don't know. Q3 on the object this time is unknown. 2 for free. Okay. Another pickup. Another pickup. Another pickup. Another pickup. And another one. And at that point, it crashes. Oh, why is it so large? What? Okay, now it gets interesting. Collector. Hmm. So I assume that it's just a new object, but that's bad. I need a UI. I might need to add add a UID here. So placed objects have the same IDs as pickups. That might be necessary. I don't know if it's necessary for now, but might be necessary for now. But here it's still strange how there's 217 items in the ignore list. That should not be the case in any way. There's just way too many things being added to the ignore list. Hmm. Oh wait, I'm actually not. I'm not actually checking pickup dictionary or pickup. Mm, I'm looking at the pickup GUID. Yeah, I'm continuing. If we already have it in the list, we're gonna continue. So let's take a look now. I think now there shouldn't be as many. Okay, there was one. So one free. I think it was the sixth free. Two. 215. The name. I would like to have the name, please. The 116th. I know how I will know. 2017, old object. Hold object. Wait, is it just working now? Was the issue that I didn't have it? Okay, this is a new one. Ah, okay. So it's failing to place. That was definitely a new one. And it's failing to place. Cool. Let's try again, this time through here. So now we're going to see what's happening in remote. Okay, let's just pause for a second. Window to 4. And attribute overrides. Oh. Wait, what? Why is cheese? Cheese does not have the proper attribute overrides. But cheese does have them. Hmm. It has an interactive, but its attribute overrides are none. How strange. Yes, it does actually have all these. So why is it not showing up here? And just for the placed one, interestingly, maybe it's still a little bit too soon. Hmm. How strange. It's in the map, technically, it says. It has a position of -37 and 91. Does it have a visual? It does have a visual. Let's do scale. Let's make it 10 by 10. Okay, there is cheese, but it's. Why did I never see it be placed? Okay, wait. I'm gonna hit it. Juno definitely has more cheese. I know it. Where you're hiding the cheese. Only 2? We do have 4 pickups right now. I know pickups list. We have 4. We have 4 pickups. Huh. Maybe that's why it would get broken before. I never count. Wait, how did we have pickup count? Modular constants. So pickup, we have pickups list and pickup count. There's no such thing as a pickups count. Last pickups count. We do have last pickup count. Am I searching by word or by edge case? No, I'm not. So pickups list, pickup count. What do I do here with it? Condition list, constant last pickup count. Yes, last pickup count. I know. Acquire cheese. If pickup count. Yes. Last pickup count. Okay, one issue I have found. Pickups list erased place. Object object data m dot pickup count equal to -1. Okay, so now we could pick up more objects after dropping them. Let's try again. Pickup counts should now be a bit better. Wait a second. I know what I want to do. Is I want to, but I guess I won't be able to check. Let's just keep going and take a look at when something is placed. Oh, it was in the remote view. Yeah. Okay, so it's the no name on the previously freed. Oh, something disappeared. Oh, there we go. It's back. I know the only idea I'm having right now is I don't think I still quite understand what's going on. Is maybe try adding to place, adding item to world. But no, it does have a name since I give it that. Wait, in the list in here, I think what I saw was that the object was already destroyed. Something was picked up. Something else was picked up. Okay. Okay, world place pickups placed pickup dot scale is equal to vector 2 5 by 5. Let's try now. Now pickup should be placed and it should be big. There we go. Okay, so it is placed. So I just assume it's because it's perfectly hidden behind Juno. It just doesn't show up. Almost half asleep right now. Oh, okay, yeah. So we have tons of pickups, and now a pickup is being picked up, but it shouldn't be since it's an ignore list. I have a sneaky suspicion this is happening because dragon is going over. Maybe we can wait it out before it gets placed and destroyed. Oh, I can do one better. Watch this. Where is the position? Okay. Whoop. Cheese be moving. I hope it is. Come on. Catch it. No, wait. Maybe wrong cheese. Need to figure out which cheese this is. No, that's not the cheese. Is it this one? 150. Oh, maybe I can just put it in 0, 0 and it will be fine. 0, 0. Ah, there we go. Now we have the 0, 0 cheese. No. Quick. Catch the dragon. Yes, okay. So, new placed cheeses are broken for the dragon. Good. Okay, that makes just a bit more sense. So, for next time, to do next, fix placed cheeses not being pickupable again that's going to be it for today. Some progress. I guess this was a bit more debugging one for today, but hopefully with this fixed, we can move on to. I don't remember what I said last time. Was it the complex scenario already with the space cheese? Maybe. I know. I guess we'll decide that once we get there. So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for joining in. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. And yeah, just for YouTube, since this is the very first stream, I stream every day at around the same time. I think I'm gonna add a broadcast and just. Oh, that clipped a bit. Sorry. I think I'm just gonna add a broadcast and it should be on YouTube. Maybe even do a little notification before. And yeah, I stream every single time at the same time. Well, I think I've skipped one day. But yeah, 5 a.m. I'll see you there, or whatever time is for you. Bye. Have a good day.